Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So on today's video, we're going to check out this professional mini digital scale that I got off eBay. Now, whether you're into cooking, crafts, jewelry, or just need an accurate measurement, this small little pocket scale should probably do the job, but let's go ahead, open it up and check it out. This is a pocket-sized precision scale that measures in grams, ounces, and sometimes carats and grains, depending on what mode you have it set on. Now, I ordered mine off eBay for about $8 after reading that it's a reliable, budget-friendly alternative to pricier brands. I wanted something accurate, easy to use, and portable, and this seemed to check all the boxes. Shipping was reasonable, tracking was available, and the seller had a pretty good rating, so I felt pretty confident giving it a try. Now, this scale is tiny, and it fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Now, it does take two AAA batteries that do not come with it, so you have to provide your own batteries. And there is a film covering on the tray that you do have to pull off before you start using it. And the build quality feels pretty solid for this price. And the buttons, they click pretty firmly, and there's a clear digital display that lights up instantly when you turn it on. This scale can measure in increments as small as 0.01 grams, which is great for small items like spices, gemstones, or herbs. You can switch between grams, ounces, and even troy ounces depending on what you're measuring. Now, there's also a feature on here that lets you zero out containers so that you only measure the contents, and that's a must for accurate weighing. Now, there is an auto off feature on this scale that helps you save the battery when the scale isn't in use. In terms of performance, I tested it a few times with coins, jewelry, and kitchen ingredients. Each time the readings were consistent and quick. It stabilizes within a couple seconds, and the backlit display is easy to read in low light. This does have some pretty solid pros. It's affordable, especially on eBay. It's small and portable, accurate for its size, and very easy to use. Now, unfortunately, there are some cons. There are no batteries included with this. There's no instructions, and it's not ideal for heavy items. Now, this digital scale delivers excellent value. It's precise, convenient, and perfect for everyday weighing tasks. If you want accuracy without a high price tag, this is definitely worth considering. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and put that down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video.